Good evening, Professor. My name is Janet Amos Ngameki. I'm here to continue with my presentation on the cause of democracy. In the last question, which is democracy and theory, according to Huntington and DPT. I'll start by explaining who was Samuel Philip Huntington. He was an American political scientist advisor and an academist, whereby he spent more than half a century at Harvard University. He was the director of the Center for International Affairs and another person who was called Albert Weatherthread. But also Huntington is best known as by his family, or known by his book called Clash of Civilization, of a post-Cold War New World Order. He argued that the future wars would have been fought not between countries but between cultures, and that Islamic extremism would become the biggest threat to Western domination of the world. Therefore, Huntington tried to highlight and give a prediction to what the world will be if there could be occurrence of various stuff, such as extreme Islamic, as you can see, extreme Islamic participation, maybe in states or in democracy. But also he highlighted that wars should not be fought among states, it should be fought among cultures. Like, we should fight wars within our own original, our own surroundings, not outside of our borders. Okay, going to the topic, which is democratic peace. This is the theory that is often, or it is called as law in international politics, in which this law states that democracies does not fight each other, and if they do, it's not among the democratic states, but it's not among the democratic states or democracies, but it's among the non-democratic ones. And this law, or this theory, state that right now we have more democracies, or if it happens we have more democracies, there is no any chance that there will be occurrence of war or any conflict in international politics. And this democratic peace theory, it highlights that if a democratic state recognized its fellow democratic state, it is not likely to go into war, because one democratic state understands the value of having democracy, or the value of democracy, or the value of practicing democracy. So it's not easy for it going to invade or going to cause conflict with another state if that state understand the meaning of democracy. So democratic peace theory highlights that too. But also this democratic theory, it's also highlighted as one of the motivator of peace in international politics, or it's one motivator of peace in democratic states. Okay, going back to Huntington, he incontrovertibly highlighted the origin, or historically, where did democracy originated. Modern democracy, or any democracy, originated, and it's saying that democracy originated from Western Christianity, and it's not him that also incited on this matter, but also thinkers like Tocqueville, Hegel, and Nietzsche have also observed that in many ways that modern democracy is a secularized version or of the universalism of Christian doctrine, and therefore if you speak of Christianism, you speak of peace. So Huntington highlighted that if Islamic, if there will be, or the how should I say it? If there will be an occurrence of extreme presence of Islamic or Islam in the society or in international politics, it's most likely not to be, or peace is most likely not to be there. It won't be there because it's seen like Islam is a violent religion. I'm not saying, I'm quoting from what various scholars have highlighted, but Christianity is a peaceful religion. So according to this democratic peace theory, according to Huntington, he briefly highlighted that this democratic peace theory is all about Western Christianity, or it's all about Christianity, and presence of Christianity means peace. Thank you.